So, wenn ich bin gewesen, ein Kind, hat man gedacht an einen Stiebel. Du weißt, was ein Stiebel ist? Ein Chassidik-Stiebel. Aber ich habe gewollt haben in einer Schule. In der Lodge gewesen, eine Schule. The temple wasn't so as big or as beautiful as the shul. It was built in 1895 by the richest Jews in Lodz. When I say the richest Jews, you know what kind I'm talking about? The kind of riches, affluence, people that employed 11,000 people. At the beginning of the 20th century, there was a Hasidic Jew that employed 27,000 people before the war, yes. Okay, let me come back, okay. So this shul was the apple, the eye of Lodz. When a guest speaker came, or a concert, this was the shul.
Altshtot?
Wie? Altshtot. The Altshtot. So I left the stiebel clandestinely. The Tatas shouldn't know. And I ran over to the shul. A different word. Outside you saw people standing, give me something to eat. Hell. But when you came inside, a different world. Like you have a poem by Bialik, The Dog and the King. It describes the Jew in the middle of the week. During the week he was a dog, but Saturday in his home he was a king. Came in, the atmosphere, the beauty of the cantor of singing with a beautiful choir, the decorations gilded, 2 galleries for ladies. And I listened to the chazan. The chazan was a tall guy with a special cap, you know, a chazonish cap, a machayot to kicken. And on the beamer, on the stage. Good. And this somehow left indelible imprints in me, and I used to emulate him. Good. Yeah. In 1939, November the 15th, I saw this beautiful shul going up in flames. The entire sky was covered, I'm not exaggerating, who can? With sparks. I consider myself a spark of this synagogue. The debris, there were about 50 scrolls, beautiful silver ornaments, everything was burned down. This wasn't the only synagogue that was burned down in Lodz, but this was the most beautiful synagogue. We had a Reformed synagogue, we had many, many synagogues. We had 100 stiebelach in Lodz. Do you know the Jewish population in Lodz was 225,000. The entire population was 600,000. A third of the community was Jewish. I saw the shul going up in flames. I saw the ruins and the debris in the ghetto. This was a part of the ghetto. Nobody removed the debris. I was in 1985, I was in Lodz, in Poland. The debris were untouched. I still regret why I didn't take a piece of the debris with me. But when I was 20 years ago, 22, I don't remember, it was removed. There is a little park instead. Doesn't say that there was a synagogue, but there's a little statue, Moses, with the 2 tablets.